In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to design an email using GoDaddy email marketing. We'll commence our task by generating a new email. To do this, navigate to the GoDaddy email marketing section within your account dashboard. From here, the path diverges into two varying options. You can choose to create a new email from scratch or opt to use a pre-designed layout by selecting one of the numerous pre-made templates available. Next, it's time to add some content to your email. Your logo, which is an integral part of your identity, needs to be uploaded. You can make use of the drag and drop method to do so. Otherwise, navigate your way to the file on your computer. Then, we move on to embellishing your email with captivating text, stunning images, and other engaging content. Using the tools provided in the Composer, you can add all these elements to your email. Want to include images from the gallery? Simply click on your preferred image and drag it to the desired place on your email. And if you feel like adding more photos, look out for the plus sign and click it. After adding the content, you are ready to customize the look of your email. Being consistent with your branding is very important in email marketing, so adjust the colors, fonts, and buttons to match your brand. Leverage the tools provided to alter the appearance of your email to your liking. For the images, take advantage of the resizing options to set them at the correct dimensions so they don't look out of place or distorted. Finally, we've reached the last segment where we finalize and send the email. Begin with adding your recipients to the email. Once they are all included, take a moment to give your email a last look. This is to ensure all content is accurate, appropriately placed, and ready to be sent out. Examine your recipient information as well. This is vital as you don't want your email being sent out to the wrong persons. With everything checked and confirmed to be in order, click on Send. Your beautifully designed email using GoDaddy email marketing is now flying into the inboxes of your recipients. So that's it, a simple, straightforward step-by-step tutorial of how to design an email using GoDaddy's email marketing software. Happy emailing!